People of Ayala Mosley, Yasmi, are you ready?
Konniwa, isa pa. Guys, are you ready to see Mr. TJ Marquez? Alright. If we are ready now, I think we can already start introducing our celebrity guest.
Alright, I believe that we're still waiting for the cue. Let's wait until things are all settled and ready. Alright, Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, joining us in this beautiful evening is an international actor, endorser, and influencer.
Alright, from the shows Mano Po, Legacy, Her Big Boss with hit BL series Ben and Jen. And My Story, let us all welcome our bench ambassador, Mr. TJ Marquez! Let's go.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Are you guys having fun? Okay ba yung mga nangyayari sa ating mga contestant? So, I'll be performing tonight for our candidates, so sana magustuhan niyo po. So, music please. Hi! Awit sa akin, ilaw sa waras aking ang kwentong malaki. Tungkol sa'yo at sa ligaya, iyong hatid sa aking buhay. Tuloy ang bigas at sipat ko ikaw. Sa umaga sa lumisa, bawal inutulipas. Hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawal pagpihit ng tadhana. Hinahanap-hanap kita, sunod sa'yo. Kahit maghapon na tayo'y magkasama parang telesine. Ang ating ending hatid sa bahay mo. Sabay mag-ride, sabay may kiss, sabay mag-bye. Sa umaga sa gumisa, bawat minutulipas. Hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tadhana. Hinahanap-hanap kita. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana may nagustuhan niyo ba aking maganda. Again, congratulations sa lahat, sa top 5 and sa lahat ng mga kandidatang sumali ngayon. Well, first, unang-una gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa LCC Essentials for having me. Without you guys, wala ako dito. And of course, with my bench family, maraming salamat for inviting me here. You can check out Bench Store later pagkatapos ng pageant. Maraming mamimili dyan. And yun, to our candidates, I know this sounds cliche, but you are all winners dahil ginalingan nyo para mapunta kayo dito sa finals night. So, yeah, whoever wins tonight, congratulations.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, palakpakan naman po natin the ever-dashing Mr. TJ Marquez!
Maraming salamat po.
Grabe, DJ, na-stars na kami right now. Alright. I don't know if you've heard this at the back. No? Sabi namin, we'll take this chance. Quick, pa-picture kami ni Jay na rin sa'yo. Alright. Sige, mabilisan lang to. And after this one, we'll get more information about you.